If you want to check out a really creative twist on a whiskey sour, keep watching. Today I'm going to make the New York Sour. Hi everybody, so the New York Sour. I don't even know who made this. It's been around for a while. Actually, I should really research for some of my videos, but it is delicious and I just want to make it for you anyway. Just a twist, a very simple twist on a whiskey sour, as you will see. The key to the New York Sour that I make is to use a bourbon that is a little bit higher proof than 40% ABV. I'm going to use the Yellow Rose Outlaw Bourbon. It is 46% ABV, and I just find that it shines through that bourbon with all the other ingredients that are in this cocktail. So 60 mils, 2 ounces of the Yellow Rose Outlaw Bourbon, which is delicious on its own as well. Next up, 30 mils or 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Always fresh juice, guys. It's really important. 22.5 mils or 3/4 of an ounce of sugar syrup or sugar gum, wherever you are, how you pronounce it. Then 20 mils or 2/3 of an ounce of either egg white or Aqua Faba. Add some ice to your shaker and give it a really hard shake, because you should dry shake this, but I'm a little bit lazy today, so just shake twice as hard. Okay, that should be enough. We then strain that. I don't double strain a whiskey sour because I find that sometimes that removes a little bit of that sort of head, the froth that the egg white or the Aquafaba is doing, into your rocks glass over some ice. And then the key to this drink is we add 30 mils or 1 ounce of a Shiraz float. I'm using the Boucher Heathcote Shiraz, made very close to here. It's about an hour away, hour and a half away from Geelong. I love local. This is actually one of my favourite Shirazes. For those of you guys here in Australia, you get through Paramount Liquor or check out their website. Look at that. So we're floating that beautiful Shiraz over the top of that cocktail as a float. Let's give it a taste. Yum. Once again, really important when you're dealing with a very juicy, tasty Shiraz, you need that higher proof bourbon to really sort of punch through, and that works a treat. I think we've filmed about 11 videos today. I'm going to drink the rest of that because that is delicious. Guys, have you tried the Boucher Shiraz? Have you tried a New York Sour? Please like, subscribe, comment below, share it with your friends. And I will see you soon on Let's Talk Drinks.